Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a minus 1 divided by 1 minus a is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. Here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method, here first we move the term 1 minus a from denominator to the right hand side, and this will be written as a minus 1 is equals to 1 times of 1 minus a. And now here we need more simplifications, and we rewrite this equation as a minus 1 equals to 1 times of 1 minus a is equals to 1 minus a. And now further we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and this will be written as a minus 1. You see here this is positive 1. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes negative 1. This is negative a becomes positive a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to add or subtract the like terms. So we have first we add a plus a, that is equals to 2a, and this is minus 1 equals to minus 2, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now further our target is to get the value of a. For this we move the term minus 2 to the right hand side, and we get 2a is equals to plus 2, because this is negative 2. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes positive 2. And here our target is to get the values of a. So for this we divide both of the sides by 2 in order to remove this 2 from left hand side, so that we divide it by 2, and we get here the remaining values are this 2 and this 2 are cancelled out by each other, and here we get a is equals to this 2 and this 2 are also gone, and we get here a is equals to 1. So you see here in the first method we get only one value of a, and that is equals to 1. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of a be the solution, or is this value of a be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement here, and our given question statement is a minus 1 divided by 1 minus a is equals to 1. So this is our given question statement, and here we substitute the above value of a into the left hand side. So when you put it here, it will becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 is equals to 1. And in the next step we have this 1 minus 1 becomes 0 divided by 1 minus 1 is also becomes 0, and this is equals to plus 1. So you see here in the left hand side we get 0 over 0 form, and we very well know about that. It is usually called that it is the indeterminate form. So our left hand side becomes indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. Okay, so if the left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value a is equals to 1 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we called that a is equals to 1 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root, and further you see here we cannot get any other value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method, And for second method, we need to copy down given question statement here. So the given question statement is a minus 1 divided by 1 minus a is equals to 1. This is the our given question statement, and here our second method be the very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So here we need to focus in the numerator side, and in the numerator we need to take common negative 1, and when we take common negative 1 we get the remaining values are 1 minus a, and it is divided by 1 minus a, and this is equals to 1. So you see here this 1 minus a is cancelled out by this 1 minus a, and we get the remaining values are in the left hand side we get minus 1, and in the right hand side we get positive 1. So here you see that minus 1 equals to plus 1. It is not a possible case because in general these two values are not equal. So if these two values are not equal, this means that in the second method we cannot get any value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. So you see that from both of these two methods, we cannot get the solution of this problem. And this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.